Hi you guys, I hope you are doing amazing. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Maitri Thakkar and I create beauty content on Instagram as well as YouTube. In today's video, I'm actually here to talk about and swatch my top 10 brown lipsticks that I absolutely love and swear by. I love these lipsticks. I wear them without a doubt on repeat. I'm going to link all the lipsticks that I'm going to be talking about in today's video in the description below. So do not forget to check out the links to shop. I am so excited to actually share these top 10 lipsticks with you guys. So without any further ado, let's get into it. The first lipstick that I'm going to be talking about is my recent favorite find, and oh my god, I fell in love with this lipstick formula, the color, as soon as I applied it for the first time itself. And it is by Forever Daily Life Forever 52 Professional Sensational Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade 25, which is Muted Mocha. As far as I know, looks so luxe, so nice. Doe Foot applicator is nice and precise. It literally has one swipe pigmentation. Like, look at that pigment. Feels so lightweight, extremely comfortable on your lips. Even if deep skin tones were to wear this, I think this would look like such a perfect nude on them, like a nude brown lipstick on them. And I think this lipstick is just meant for all Indian skin tones. And as she becomes matte quite fast, as you saw while I was talking, it's already matte. So comfortable, completely non-sticky, no chappiness or anything whatsoever. Doesn't make my lips look crusty or any of that. It's such a perfect Indian wedding sort of a shade, something that will literally look great on all of your outfits. You have to add this to your cart. Without a doubt, you're not going to regret it. Trust me on this. And by the way, it's completely matte and transfer proof. Second lipstick that I'm going to be talking about is called this Stays 9 to 9 Gloss Lock Intense Color Plus Transfer Proof 2-in-1 Liquid Lipstick. Again, something I tried very recently, but I fell in love with this shade specifically. It is called 04 I'm Shy, and it's that perfect nude brown that is going to flatter fair to medium skin tones. I don't think this is going to look great on deeper skin tones or dusky skin tones, because this is going to look like a palish nude on you is what I feel. It's extremely pigmented. The Doe Foot applicator definitely helps in that precise application. Comparatively to the lipstick I swatched before this, which is Forever 52 Muted Mocha, this one has an even lighter formula. Like, when I'm applying it, it feels like I'm barely applying anything on my lips. Like, I barely feel any lipstick on my lips right now. Very lightweight, again dries down quite quickly. It's actually non-sticky as well, and actually gives my lips that very beautiful blurred finish, and I really like that. This part is this lipstick actually comes with a clear gloss on the other end, which is a great thing for travel. Transfer proof and smudge proof, and this gloss is actually non-sticky as well. This gloss actually gives your lips such high shine, literally looks like you're wearing a high-end gloss. This is actually a perfect dupe for the Kiko Milano lipsticks that come in a similar component. Good dupe. It's a dupe that actually worked, and I would love to invest in lipsticks like these. Even with the gloss, this is transfer proof. That is so cool. On number 3, we have one of my favorites, Essence Matte Liquid Lipsticks, which is this 8-hour matte liquid lipstick. I actually picked this up from Singapore, but this is actually available here now, and it was not available here until now. And you best believe I've placed an order for this. This is in the shade Cinnamon Spice, if I'm not wrong, and I don't know if there's a lot left on this, but I'm gonna still swatch it because this had to be included in my top 10. Such a cool color. I think I've literally finished this entire bottle. Do you see that? It is such a pretty brown. If you're just wanting to head out for the day and you don't want to like overwhelm yourself with a lipstick that looks like lipstick, just buy this. Again, this is extremely lightweight and literally feels like nothing on my lips. I'm sorry, I had to literally dug out the lipstick that was left inside. It is a perfect cool tone nude lipstick, and it looks so good on me. I love this. You can actually pair this up with a lip liner as well, but I like using it sometimes just like it, and it gives me such a 90s vibe. I think MAC had a lipstick similar to this shade, if I'm not wrong, but I love the formula. I love this shade. Highly recommend this. Transfer proof and smudge proof. On number 4, I have K Beauty Lip Crayon, and this used to be my staple when I was in college. This launched around that time, and I think I was still in my 3rd year of college, if I'm not wrong, when this had launched, and I used to wear this all the time to college. As far as I remember, this used to be my favorite lipstick back then, and the fact that I still use it says a lot about this formula, says a lot about this shade. And I used to use this shade specifically. It is called PAP and it's a beautiful brown lip crayon. This is again transfer proof and smudge proof. It's super easy to use, glides on like butter, and the fact that it's a retractable lip crayon, कोई झंझट मारी नहीं है to actually carry a sharpener anywhere with this. If you don't have two-tone pigmented lips like me, this is going to be a perfect brown on you. But since I do have two-toned pigmented lips, this looks like a pretty nude brown on me. Again, this shade is something that will look great from fair to medium skin tones. Do not think this is going to work for dusky or deep skin tones because this is going to wash them out, is what I feel. This one retails for around $6.99 or $7.99 if I'm not wrong. But this is so worth your money. This one is also transfer proof and smudge proof. Ever wondering what lip crayon should I invest in from any Indian brand? Highly recommend this one. On number 5, we have Fay Beauty Lip Whip, and this is in the shade Ride, a beautiful warm toned brown. Something about this formula from Fay Lip Whip that I actually really like and enjoy using. It is so comfortable on your lips, feels so lightweight, and it's non-sticky. Even when you're applying it, you're barely feeling that you're applying a lipstick. When I'm rubbing my lips together, it doesn't really feel like a liquid lipstick that's going to dry out my lips. It feels very moisturizing and nourishing at the same time. It's not a deep brown, it's not a nude brown, it's somewhere in the middle. It is transfer proof and smudge proof as well. On number 6, we have this Inside Cosmetics liquid lipstick, which is called Professional Long Lasting Lip Color. And this is in the shade 03 Haters Gonna Hate. This is such a pretty nude brown. This is going to flatter anybody who's fair skin tone to medium skin tone only. This is not going to work for deep or dusky skin tones because then it's going to wash you out. This one comparatively takes a little bit more time to dry down or become matte compared to the other lipsticks that I swatched before this. But that's completely fine because the formula is such where it does actually mattify completely and does not transfer or smudge in the end. It's completely matte. बिल्कुल भी ट्रांसफर या स्मज नहीं होता है ये. On number 7, we have one of my old favorites and actually one of my recently discovered lipsticks again. And this is by Auric Beauty and it's the mattifying liquid lipstick. Again, this is something I used to promote and use back in the days when I was in college. And this used to be my favorite shade of all times. It is called Toasted Almond 3304. Bhai Sahab, I love this shade. It's a perfect cool toned nude, such a good lipstick to invest in. Just use a tiny bit of this in the center of your lips with a good lip liner, like a brown lip liner. It's going to look like a great kick-ass brown lip combo. However, you can also use this in the center of your lips when you applied an overwhelming brown shade or a dark shade that you just want to tone down. This is going to work perfectly in that. But I like to use this as it is as well because it looks so pretty on me. I love it. I love a good cool toned nude, and this is a good shade to invest in. It becomes extremely matte quite quickly. It is transfer proof and smudge proof as well. Number 8, we have Hilary Rhoda Touch of Mousse liquid lipstick. And this again I recently discovered. Firstly, I love the packaging. This for 200 rupees is so cool. It's a beautiful warm toned brown and this is such a cute lipstick to just, have in your kit. It has a decent doe fit applicator, glides seamlessly. It literally gives you such nice pigment in just one swipe. Color payoff of this lipstick is insane. The fact that it actually gives you an even application throughout your lips for 200 bucks is again a good thing. It dries down pretty quickly as you can see. Even this one is transfer proof and smudge proof. Number 9, we have Mars Matte Muse lipstick collection and I love this formula. I've already spoken about this particular lipstick formula in depth on my YouTube and I love the shades in this range. I have swatched the entire range of the Mars Matte Muse lipstick collection recently on my YouTube, so in case you haven't checked it out, do check it out. 03 Queen, and this is a perfect nude brown. I love how this looks on me specifically. This is again something that will flatter from fair to medium skin tones. It's not going to look great on deep or dusky skin tones because it might wash you out. Love this formula. If you haven't gotten yourself a Mars Matte Muse in your collection, this is your sign. Go get it right now. Last but not the least, on number 10, we have Makeup Revolution Air Blur Soft Matte Liquid Lipstick. Something I tried recently and I love this shade. It's called Cocoa. It's a cool toned nude brown. I love the formula of this, extremely lightweight and feels very, very comfortable on the lips. Actually, the formula of this and the Mars Matte News lipstick collection is so similar. You can get either of these and you don't need to buy both of them. I think Mars Matte News is definitely cheaper than the Revolution Air Blur. The shade of this, such a 90s vibe. This is something that will look great from fair to deep skin tones. For deep skin tones, it might be a very cool tone nude, but I think it's still going to flatter them. Yeah, it is not a completely matte or transfer proof lipstick. That's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.